Alright, how's everyone doing today? Alright, my name is Cole Kirkpatrick, and I am the CEO and run BlueLand Financial, and life is better when you're rich. Remember that, people. Alright, so quick rundown. Like I said, my name is Cole Kirkpatrick. I am currently 21 years old. I'm a finance major at the University of West Georgia, and I have now been trading stocks for about a year and a half. And the first thing I want to say is congratulations. Congratulations on being here. You're taking a step towards success, and you're realizing a potential to make money, and you're taking action, which is something that most people don't do, and that's the reason most people are fucking poor. And also, you could be on the way to financial freedom. So let's get started. First, I want to say risks. Just want to let you know there is always a risk of losing money. That's in any type of business you start up. But at the same time, if you are scared to make money, you will not make any money. And you need to remember that. So, what is an investment club and why join one? Basically, an investment club is a group of investors who pool their money together to see a higher return. Typically, in a traditional investment club, everyone makes the decisions of where the money goes, but since I happen to probably be, for the most part, the only one that knows about stocks, I'll be providing one-on-one teaching as well as teaching daily in my group chat. That way you can catch on, you can help assist in the moves we make, and also you can learn to take the things that I teach you and apply them to your own life and your own investing. So like I said, I make informational videos to teach everyone the basics of stock trading, and you will learn about the stock market and trading stocks. The strategy we use at the moment is we trade, we don't invest. And the big difference between trading and investing is trading is more the buy and sale of a security, and a security is a stock, by the way, within a certain time zone. Typically, a pretty short time zone, anywhere from, I'd say, a day to a week, as compared to investing, where investing, I'd say, is buying a security and holding it for longer than 6 months, anywhere from 6 months to realistically 30 years. Um, and we use technical analysis to analyze charts. No, not many people know what technical analysis is right now. We'll get onto that later in the video. And like I said, we engage in swing trading to profit, and the main indicators we use are the RSI and the MACD, all of which I'll get to later in the video. Communication and transparency. For now, we are using the app called Discord. It's a free group chat that allows me to alert the whole entire group as well as individual people. We also have Instagram and Twitter pages to communicate to all the people involved as well as the public. And all transactions are documented with proof of purchase and sale. That means whenever you send me money, I send you a document that pretty much says you send me the money. And anytime we buy any type of services, I will also disclose that in the group chat for everyone to see so everyone knows where the money's going. Quick basics right here. This is the Sprint stock, and when I'm talking about technical analysis, what we're really looking at is, how the stock is reacting and where it is going. As you can see here, I've drawn lines on this chart. We have lines set at the $9 mark, the $8 mark, the $7 mark, and the $6 mark. And you can really see how this chart plays in between these numbers, how it's bouncing off the $7 mark, going to 6, back to 7, up to 9. And really bouncing between these round numbers like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You'll also see a lot of consolidation in the 50 cent area. Here at 850, we have a nice consolidation pattern, as well as down here at 650. Again, BlackBerry, another stock that is likely to be traded by us. You can see the lines that I've drawn out to indicate, round number resistance, and so you can see how much these stocks really play off of these numbers. Another one, AMD, we're just looking at the troughs and the heights and the lows on the stock. But here's where we're going to get into the technical indicators. Like I said, technical indicators are not only using these price patterns, but using things like trend lines to recognize trends in the market, as well as anything like that. And then down here, you will see all these little squiggly lines and these green markers. These are the technical indicators that we use to assist in our technical analysis to make these decisions. We got the RSI right here, which is basically an indicator that tells you whether the stock is overbought or oversold. Right here we have the MACD, which is a momentum indicator, and that will tell you which direction the stock could be heading. And basically what we do is we use these in order to predict where the stock can be going. So as you can see here, the RSI is above the 70 mark. As you can see, it's in red. That means it's being overly bought, and as you can see, when it's overly bought, the stock is going up. And also you can see how, the stock price correlates with the RSI. We have a big price drop here, we have an RSI drop here. We also have, MACD momentum going down. And we use these tools to help predict which way the stock's going to go, because you can hold the stock from 25 to $2, but what you'd rather do is you'd rather hold the stock from 25 to $4 and then sell before it gets in this dip, because guess what, once it's gone into this dip, you've just lost 50% of your stock value and your account holding position on the stock, and now that's all gone, and that's not what you want. You want to take advantage of this uptrend, you want to sell off here, and you want to buy back in down here in the hopes, of ripping it from $2 to $3, and then when it goes back from $3 to $2, you want to sell somewhere along those lines, so that you get the real the uptrend, but you don't have to sit on your money while it's going down, and that's really the point of this. So why should you do this? Basically, I will tutor you on a skill that could make you money for the rest of your life. Long-term members could see small positions grow to much larger numbers. At the moment, most of the kids I have are either college students or young adults who don't have a lot of money. So, position sizes are anywhere from $100 to $300.50. And, that's not, you're not going to make a lot of money off that. But if you leave the money in and you let it compound over time, that's where you're going to start to see your serious returns. And you will be taught a life skill that can make you millions if pursued correctly. Millions is not an understatement. The great thing about the stock market is it takes zero education. It does take education because you have to go out and get it, but you don't have to pay anyone for this education because it's all online and you can do this all yourself. And all you have to do is have a computer and sit at a computer. You can be dead broke, but as long as you have $1,000, you can be homeless. You just have to go to a library and you just have to get onto a public computer that's free access, and you can access it all there, and you can do everything you need there. And like I said, you can be homeless and you can still make money off of this. And you could be on your way to financial freedom, and you can make money. That's another reason, obviously. And also, you want to be living here, and you don't want to be living in a trailer park. You want to be living somewhere nice like here, and you want to be driving a car like this. And I promise you that this is one of the easiest, it's not easy, but it is one of the most liable ways to get to living in this house and driving this car. And if you don't believe me, look at Warren Buffett, one of the richest guys in the world. He got the majority of his money through the stock market. If you just go in online and type in successful stock traders, you can look at their portfolios, you can look at how they're living, and you can look at what they had to do to get where they are at now. And I guarantee you it's a lot less than what some of these other guys had to do to get their fortune. Or, you don't have to invent something, because trust me, I know how hard it is to invent something and come up with an idea. But this is literally something that anyone can do. It doesn't matter how many other people are doing it. As long as you're on your shit, as long as you're doing what you have to do, you can live here. You can drive this, and it's all up to you. And it's up to whether you have the dedication to do it. And you know what? If you don't have the dedication to do it, that's fine. I'll do it for you. And that's why I'm here. I'm here not only for my personal public game, but I'm here to help other people, because I want to see other people, come up with me, and I need other people, I need rich friends that I can have later down the street that I can hang out with and do rich things with, because, I got a bunch of poor friends who aren't doing anything with their lives, and, that's not cool with me. So, If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. If you want to invest, or if you just have, simple questions about investing, let me know. Like I said, I'm always here to help, and we hope to have you on the team soon.